7 must-have travel gadgets you'll actually use. Welcome to UTRPN. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, the right travel gadgets can make your trip smoother, safer, and a lot more enjoyable. Today, I'm sharing 7 gadgets I never travel without. And trust me, these are the ones you'll actually use. 1. Anker 737 Power Bank, 24,000 mAh. This power bank is an absolute lifesaver, especially during long layovers or when you're exploring somewhere remote. The Anker 737 can fully recharge your phone up to 5 times and even has enough juice to charge a laptop. It supports super fast charging, so 10 minutes plugged in can give your phone hours of extra use. 2. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones. Airplane cabins aren't exactly known for peace and quiet. The Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones cancel out engine noise, crying babies, and chatty seatmates so you can actually enjoy your flight. Plus, they're super comfortable for those overnight trips, and the battery lasts up to 24 hours. 3. Apple AirTags. Lost luggage is the worst, but with Apple AirTags, you can track your bags right from your phone. Just slip one in your suitcase, backpack, or camera bag, and you'll know exactly where it is, even if the airline doesn't. They're also great for tracking keys or even rental cars. 4. Basia 70-watt universal travel adapter with retractable cable. Instead of carrying multiple adapters for different countries, the Basia 70W universal travel adapter offers a compact design with a built-in retractable cable, so you're never tangled up. It supports outlets in over 150 countries and has multiple USB ports to charge your devices simultaneously. Perfect for charging your phone, laptop, and camera all at once. 5. LifeStraw Go Water Filter Bottle. If you travel to places where tap water isn't always safe, the LifeStraw Go lets you drink confidently. It filters out bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, so you can fill it up anywhere, airports, public fountains, even streams, and stay hydrated without buying endless plastic bottles. 6. Samsonite Winfield 3. Hardside luggage. This carry-on is lightweight, super durable, and has a sleek design that stands out on the carousel. The built-in TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings secure, and the spinner wheels make it easy to maneuver through busy airports. 7. Sony ZV-1F Travel Vlogging Camera. Whether you're a content creator or just want better travel memories, the Sony ZV-1F is perfect for capturing high-quality video without the bulk of a DSLR. It's compact, has great low-light performance, and even includes a flip-out screen so you can see yourself while filming. Thanks for staying till the end. We hope you found this information useful. Comment below to let us know if you own any of these, or if you'd like us to feature some of your favorite travel gadgets. So there you have it, 7 travel gadgets I never leave home without. I've linked each one in the description if you want to check them out. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next travel tip.